TOPKIDSPLAY specializes in designing, manufacturing and installing of playground equipment, and our main products are indoor playground, trampoline park, and Ninja Warrior course. As a manufacturer, TOPKIDSPLAY knows what works and how to design an indoor park for ideal operational efficiency and profits. Our indoor playground can be customized according to size, interested theme and budget. From structured steel pipe to soft padding, we have strictly quality control and safety standard. Now we have more than 60 projects around the world. Our trampoline park is sold well in America, Europe, and Australia. We comply with safety rules in different countries. We listen to your ideas, suggest attractive parts, and come up with a design agreement. We use thick galvanized steel frame and fire-resistant material to manufacture. As a member of IAAPA, our Ninja Warrior course is strictly followed TUV. Many franchise parks choose us as a reliable partner. We keep going and improving all the time. Our equipment is built from reliable quality materials and component specifications so that it meets or exceeds our relevant safety standards. Careful details mean a comfortable play experience and a long lifetime. We use third-party testing labs approved by the U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission to provide different testing. Choose us is to save your time and money. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.